बिरेस्तारा सकाळी 11 वरांचेर पणजे महापालिकेच्या महापौर आणि उपमहापौराच्यो वेंचणुको जाल्यो। सेगीत तिसरे फावट रोहित मोन्सेरातची महापौर आणि उपमहापौर म्हणून संजीव नायकाची दुसरे फावट वेंचणूक जाल्या। हेर कोणाचीच उमेदवार नाशिल्ल्या कारणान ह्या दोगांची बिनविरोध वेंचणूक जाली। पणजे महानगरपालिका कायद्याप्रमाण महापौर आणि उपमहापौराची दरवर्स वेंचणूक जाता। मार्च 2021 जाल्ल्या महानगरपालिका वेंचणुकेत महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान तेंको दिल्ल्यान पॅनलान 30 सदस्यांच्या मंडळात 25 जागो जिखिल्ल्यो।
So a lot of what we're going to do this year will be a continuation of what we had done last year. For example, now with each issue, for example, say take the market issue for example. Now that live-in license agreement was changed to a lease agreement. Now that is pending with Under Secretary of Law. So we want to get that. Passed and have it approved by the government so that we can approach the market committee members to sign the lease agreement. So that will help us basically with our revenue issues. That issue has been pending now for 20 years. So once that agreement is signed, then we can put pressure on the market committee people to actually sign the agreement. So that is one thing we have to do. Another is the national theatre issue also. That also we need to continue. We have to appoint a new estate officer. So that also will be in process. So that we hope to achieve by this year also. Smart city works will continue to go on. G30 also will continue to go on. And then it will be a regular function. We want to smoothen the function of the CCP, make sure that all the issues that people currently face are also sorted.